ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 92, శ్లోక 4. పాపోయం కృష్ణరామేతి అభిలపతి నిజం గూహితుం దుశ్చరిత్రం నిర్లజ్జస్య అస్య వాచా బహుతర కథనీయాని మే విఘ్నితాని. భ్రాతా మే బంధ్యశీలో భజతి కిల సదా విష్ణుమిత్థం బుధాంస్తే నిందంతి ఉచ్చైః హసంతి త్వయి నిహితమతీం స్తాదృశం మా కృతా మాం. Word by word meaning. I am Papah, this wicked fellow. Nijam, Dushcharitram, his own misconduct. Guhitum, to conceal. Krishna Rama iti Abhilapati, keeps shouting Krishna Rama etc. all the time. Nirlajyasya, Asya Vacha, because of the shouts of this shameless fellow. Me bahutara kathaniyani, many things which I want to say. Vignitani, have been prevented from being said. Bandhya Sheelaha, who is in the habit of indulging in futile activities. Me Bhrata, my brother. Sada Vishnum Bhajati Kila, pretends to be worshipping Vishnu all the time. Itham, in this manner. Te, they, that is, who are without devotion. Twayi Nihitamateen Budhan, the wise men whose minds are devoted to thee. Nindanti, censure. Uchchaihi hasanti, and loudly ridicule. Mam tadrisham ma kritaha, do not make me like that. Full meaning. Those persons who have no devotion to thee censure and loudly ridicule the wise men who are devoted to thee, saying, this wicked fellow goes on shouting the names of Rama and Krishna all the time only to conceal his own misconduct. Because this shameless fellow goes on shouting like this, I have many times not been able to say what I wanted to say. My brother, who is in the habit of indulging in futile pursuits, pretends to be worshipping Vishnu all the time. Do not make me like them, O Lord. Note, see Bhagavata Skanda 11, chapter 5, verses 7 to 9. Om Tat Sat.